Any last things you want to say before you hit this up?
No, I'm ready. Let's go.
All right. What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Paint Society. We're live here in the booth with Paint Doctor himself,
Dr. Painter.
Dr. Painter, and we have a door and blend and blend. We had some scratches on the door, and we're gonna go ahead and blend in both areas. This is the way we're doing the job, and we're gonna roll with it, okay? Mario's cleaning it now. This is what's gonna go down. I'm gonna blend the base. He's gonna do the clear. Let's see what happens. Not too much information. Sit back, enjoy. Let's get started. Think we're ready? All right. Okay, so like I've talked to you guys in other videos, Mario uses the same stuff. You're gonna go ahead and use your clear base blending additive in the areas you're gonna where the blend is gonna finish. This first, this right after. So let's go.
You crazy mother.
We're using this because this keeps the edge nice and smooth. Right here is smooth. If you didn't do this, it would be crusty and all yucky. And then when a clear hits it, it's gonna be dry. Yeah, and if it was silver, it would be like sand pie. Like you'd be able to tell right where the edge of the blend was. So this blending additive, everyone's really like fascinated by this stuff. All it is clear base. That's all it is. But it is the best thing ever. So you notice I kept it down away from this because any color that gets in this area is not going to match this pillar. Did you know that this paint job is actually a pearl? That's the next step. Okay, we're ready for pearl now. Guys, there's nothing to blending any pearl. All you need is a good color match. So, clear base, pearl, 2 coats should be fine, 2.5. And then we're going to turn it over to Mario for clear coat. All right, so the first coat is splashed. We're ready for the second. Same exact. I'm gonna extend it a little bit more, probably to around this area and on the back door, right into here to get this blend to go away. So my work is done now. Now my new job is to hold the camera. I'm gonna turn it over to Mario. He's gonna mix up the clear. We're gonna shine it up and see what it looks like. Hey, you need a little bit of a pep talk. Get you to focus. Any last things you wanna say before you hit this up?
No, I'm ready. Let's go.
All right, so what the Paint Dr. Master's gonna do here is he's got the WS400. Yeah, that's right there. Nah, I'm not being partial or anything, but it's a great gun. There's also other great guns that can get the same finish. All about personal preference. But Mario right here, he's gonna do 2 coats. Are you gonna walk this out? What are you gonna do? You're gonna walk out the whole thing. That's kind of tough, but you know, he got them long arms to do that. So let me get covered and let's get going. Alright, Mario just put the second coat on. If you want to see what it looks like, just watch the first one again. Guys, this is Brian from Paint Society reminding you, don't overthink it. It's just paint. Give my boy Mario some love right there. He's starting up his own Instagram, Doc the Painter, and his own YouTube, The Professional. Guys, I'll see you on the next one.